Hello, I'm going to teach you in a very short way, in a better way, how to be successful in abroad without any problems. You live in abroad as many years as you want to live without any problem with the authorities or with anyone. Number one, if you are listening to me, you will understand. If you live in abroad, you will agree with me that what these points could go a long way to help you to stay in the country where you reside, because abroad is not home. There are two different ball games. So number one is stay away from crimes. Just make sure you stay away from crimes. Whichever type of crime that you see around you, stay away from it. If you can stay away from crime, you will go a long way, because no matter how little crime you have had or you have in abroad shall be inserted in your system under your name. If you robbed somebody yesterday, they will put it in your system that you robbed someone. If you lied, they will put in your system that you're a liar. You understand? So do everything humanly possible to stay away from crimes. The second one is just be honest. Mana gị na-adị honest, ọ bụkwa na ihe ọbụla. Just be honest. Try to be honest to the authority. Mana ọ bụrụ na ihe niile. Ebe ọ bụla ị ga-esi wee save nwe isi gị, i protect anya ọfụma, guide anya ọfụma, kụzie the other eziokwu dịzi na ya, ị ma na udo ga-achị. So, but the main point here is be honest. When you're honest, the doors shall be open and you will gain more favor and things will work out for you. The third one is don't keep too many friends. You know what I'm saying? You have too many friends that will bring you to bar, and when you get to the bar, many of them will fight after you are drunk, or you buy something you did not pay complete. It could bring problem. You understand? So make sure you are not keeping many friends that will be luring you to the bar, luring you to the club, luring you to several gatherings, or involving you in court. Many of them are in court. They wouldn't tell you. So keeping too many friends will lead to that. So don't keep too many friends. If you can, don't even keep at all. You have your colleagues, you work, you go back home. If you want to do business, you go straight and do your business. Don't keep too many friends. I wouldn't tell you not to keep friends at all. Definitely you have one or two, but don't keep too many. This is just my advice. The fourth one is keep your secret to yourself. Don't come and start narrating and explaining to people or telling people things you call secret, things you prefer that should be private or for your own personal consumption. You now start to put it in the public. When one person gets to know about it, it will move, and 10 people will know, 100 people will know. So try as much as possible to keep your secret to yourself. You will go a long way, and it's going to help you in a big time. The fifth and the last is have a skill. Make sure you have a skill. You must have a skill, and also be ready to learn new things and new skills. That will keep you informed in abroad, keep you intact. You will not have a problem. You will not face any problem. You will keep progressing and always make good plans for yourself. Plan out your way. Write it down. Anything you are doing, write it down. These are my plans for the year, and follow them sequentially. It shall be well with you today as you do as I have directed you. Thank you so much, people, and be blessed wherever you are. Goodbye.